guys, this is my beautiful flowers. It's like myrtle, white myrtle. Is super dang good, smells so good everyone, and it gave me bloom super big this year. It's more the smell, it smells so good like perfume, and smells so good than sampagita. So ayan guys, it gave me big bloom this year, and you see that, and it smells so good. Smell good, sweet, smell good guys. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Woo! It smells so good guys. That's my perfume in my front porch. See?